In this video, we listed the 5 best headphones under $500 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Edifier W830NB Wireless Headphone. The Edifier W830NB wireless over-ear headphones are designed for high-quality audio and enhanced user experience. Featuring a 40mm dynamic driver with titanium-coated composite diaphragm, they support high-res audio and high-res audio wireless certification, ensuring immersive sound. These headphones boast hybrid active noise cancellation technology, providing up to -45 dB noise reduction and multiple ANC modes for various environments. With Bluetooth version 5.4, they offer seamless connectivity and support dual device connection. The ergonomic design includes skin-friendly materials, a foldable build for portability, and AI noise cancellation technology for clear calls. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 94 hours of playback with ANC off and quick charge capabilities. The headphones also feature customizable settings via the Edifier Connex app, making them versatile for different audio preferences and usage scenarios. Number 2. Kazuha Game Genshin Headphone. The Kazuha Prompt Tone Bluetooth headset by Arvin is designed for immersive audio experiences tailored for Genshin Impact enthusiasts. Made from durable plastic, these headphones feature active noise cancellation and dynamic vocalism principles, ensuring clear and crisp sound quality. They operate wirelessly via Bluetooth with a range of up to 10 meters, or can be used in plug-in mode for gaming-specific audio needs. Additionally, the card mode allows MP3 playback without a mobile phone connection. The headset is foldable for portability and includes accessories like an audio cable, charging cable, manual, and box. It combines comfort, convenience, and versatility, making it ideal for both gaming and music enjoyment. Number 3. Sennheiser HD600 Portable Headset. The Sennheiser HD600 headphones are a premium wired headset known for their high-fidelity audio performance and versatile design. Featuring semi-open ear cups and equipped with dynamic neodymium magnets, these headphones offer a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 22,000 Hz and a sensitivity of 97 dB. They have a low impedance of up to 32 ohms, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of audio devices including mobile phones and PCs. The HD600 model supports active noise cancellation for immersive sound quality and includes features like volume control and memory foam ear pads for comfort during extended use. Despite being wired with a 3-meter cable and a 3.5mm stereo plug, these headphones do not support wireless connectivity or memory cards. Ideal for gaming, hi-fi listening, and general multimedia use, the HD600 headphones are designed to enhance every audio experience with their clear, detailed sound and ergonomic build. Number 4. HIFIMAN SUNDARA Headphone. The HIFIMAN headphones specified a high-concern chemical-free metal earphones with open-back ear cup design, wired connectivity via a 1.5 mm bending plug type. They do not feature a microphone, wireless capability, active noise cancellation, volume control, or control buttons. Designed for monitoring, video games, mobile phones, and hi-fi audio, these headphones operate on orthodynamic vocalism principle and utilize 3.5mm connectors. They are CE and FCC certified, originating from mainland China under the brand HIFIMAN. Number 5. Oneodio A10 Headphone. The Oneodio A10 hybrid active noise cancelling headphones are designed for high-performance audio enthusiasts seeking versatile functionality. Featuring advanced hybrid active noise cancellation technology, these headphones reduce ambient noise by up to 35 dB, ideal for immersive listening in various environments. With dual sound chambers and 40mm drivers, they deliver rich, detailed sound across a wide frequency range of 20 Hz to 40 kHz, complemented by high-res audio quality. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable wireless connectivity with dual device pairing capability, while a wired mode offers flexibility when battery power is low. Additional features include transparency mode for ambient sound awareness, 5 mic HD call clarity, and a comfortable design with memory foam earcups and adjustable headband joints. The headphones come with an 800 mAh battery offering up to 62 hours of use in ANC mode, fast USB-C charging, and include accessories like a carrying case and multiple cables. Ideal for travel, work, and leisure, they combine premium sound with practical functionality.